What's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly, man. Back with another daggone video. So today, I got to do some errands, but I should be getting my catalytic converter put on my Mazda 3. Look at Black Beauty, y'all. I know y'all see that. Y'all see how dirty she is? Yeah. I don't know what happened. They're doing like some lawn work or whatever. I don't know if they cut the grass or what, but my car is extremely dusty. So I'm gonna be riding around with a dusty 300 right now. I'm not getting a wash till tomorrow. So let me go ahead and start her up. So I have to take this part back. I gotta take this part back so I can get my warranty out of it. So let me go ahead and do that. Load up the 300. So here we go. About to head. Oh, my car's so dirty. I'm not happy that they did that. I usually know like the days when they do y'all work. So I park my car like in the middle area where I know it's not gonna get dusty. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do that this time. But all right, here we go. All right, so I'm done. I'm gonna get my warranty. Hey, they charge 80 cents so you can tape it. I should have just went ahead with that and let them do the 80-cent thing. But hey, who cares? 80 cents not too bad. I think I can afford 80 cents, you guys. Alright. So we need to plan everything with Charles. I'm gonna see if he's available to get this installed. And if we can't get it today, this video gonna be another day. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going as I go, man. There's so many things going on. I got so many plans, so many stuff to get done. I hate this little parking lot. It seems like nobody knows how to drive. I'm gonna just turn this way. Cause this old lady in the van. And my car is so dusty. I wish they had like a quick car wash I could take it to. Cause I don't feel like driving that much today. I feel like relaxing today. I already did it. I already have a bunch of videos that I did that I gotta edit, and that's what I'm gonna do. You know, that's kind of like my relaxing mode, even though I know it's work, but I'm still able to stay home and, you know, do what I gotta do. All right, Grizzly Squad, so I got neighbors out here, but I'm now about to install this 300. So what I gotta do is I have to, oh, you talking about I have to unbolt this? I don't know what I gotta do. I gotta unbolt that. I gotta bolt the tray and then do that and that and that. Alright, so that's what I'm about to do. Charles gave me some tools. I got some tools of my own also. So I got the saw, I got the drill, and I got tools. Alright. So let's get to it. And I got the jackson in so I don't get crushed. So here we go. What's good, y'all? Alright, so it's the next day. I got my coming shirt on. No, it's not even the next day. It's the next few days because It's been a lot of crazy things that have been going on. I've been getting a lot of things done for you guys, a lot of behind the scenes type stuff, man. So y'all get ready for that. It's coming up fire this weekend. It's gonna be something lit, something legit. So it's gonna be the weekend for me, but it's gonna be the next week for you guys. But as you see, y'all see that? Y'all see the windshields is up. Y'all see the sky is gloomy. All right, we got a winter advisory right now. So it's supposed to snow, and I'm gonna leave my 300 right there. All right, so my I cracked the screen on my GoPro, but it is the protective screen, so I gotta peel that off and then put on the new one. So that protective screen is the truth, but it was all because I was doing my catalytic converter to my Mazda 3. So y'all wasn't able to see all of the video because I cracked it and I got so mad. I forgot that I put the screen on there to protect it. So hey man, when I get mad at stuff, I have to walk away from it. That's just me. I know I have to, because I'll get so furious. I start, I can't do it. All right. But yeah, my Mazda 3 is back. So I've been driving her, as you see. I cleaned her up just a little bit, but her wheels got the dust on it. So the next step for the Mazda 3 is to get the brakes, the rotors, and the lowering springs or the coilovers, and then get some rims. And I want to fix this though before I get all that. So I'm trying to get an estimate, because I'm not trying to make her look just totally flawless, but I gotta ride around clean, and this is my commuter car and this is my get around car and stuff like that. So I can't have Black Beauty over there, you know, just outshining my blue girl, you know. So I gotta get her done up and everything. So I gotta make her look good too. But one thing y'all don't know is I fixed my exhaust. Let me see if y'all can see this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the catalytic converter is in there, and I clamped it and all that stuff. It's still a little bit of a leak, but hold on. All right, it's still a little bit of exhaust leak, but what I'm gonna do later is I'm gonna get it welded. I'm gonna get welded together. So that was just my thing, just getting it done. No money, no stuff like that. All my work, bro. I did it, and Charles, he helped me too. He just guided me in what I had to do. And yeah, I pretty much did it myself, man. I wish I would have done it, but it was like late at night, and I had to get it done because I needed to drive this, because I did not want to drive, you know, my fiance's car, because that's her car, bro. I was just tired of driving it. I missed my Mazda 3, and these daggone geese interrupted my video. All right, y'all. See, they're getting ready to leave, because it's about to snow. Please don't poop on me, please. All right, I think I'm good. If y'all seen the title of this video and everything else, I think my Mazda 3 is louder than my Chrysler 300, you know? So now we're gonna call it the 300. You know, like when you weightlifting and stuff like that, they say 100. Hey, I'm putting it 300. Black Beauty, her other nickname is 300, okay? So y'all get ready for that. Why they turning around? These daggone geese interrupted my video, bro. So I think my Mazda 3 is much louder than my 300. So we about to see right now. It's a moment of truth. So matter of fact, no. Since it is the next day, and since it is it's not the next day, since it's a few days later, and I haven't started in a minute, but Black Beauty looking clean. I guess it like rained and it took off the dust from the car. So bro, y'all see that wicker bill though? Hey, y'all see that wicker bill though? That thing mean, boy. Hey, shout out to Evil Customs. So let me go ahead and start her. I haven't started up in a few days. So let's see. She gonna be loud too. Hey, I don't know. I kind of take that back. Dang, did you hear a pop though when she opened up? Lord. Dude, she popped really hard when she did. All right, so I can't do an auto start with my Mazda 3 because it is my Mazda, you know. So let me go ahead and turn her off. Let me turn her off. That was loud, dude. That was loud. Let me go ahead, turn her off. Ooh, I don't know about that one. I had faith, but all right, let's see. Y'all comment down below right now and tell me which one y'all think is louder. Do y'all think Black Beauty just outshined herself right now? Because it is cold. I haven't started her up in like a few days. So what I can't do is I can't start Blue Girl with the auto start. I got the keys and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it right here to the side view so y'all can see her. Just like I did Black Beauty. And she's not as cold as Black Beauty, so here we go. Dude, alright, I told you Black Beauty ain't nothing. I told you Blue Girl is loud too. I told you, dude. Y'all don't be believing me. Like I said, my car, it was loud as a mug before all this stuff happened. I didn't know it was the catalytic converter that was clogging her up. That's shout out to me, my lack of car knowledge. I mean, I thought I knew, but I thought I only had one catalytic converter. I didn't know I had two. Hey man, see, that's why you gotta take your car to the shop, or you take it to somebody that knows something if you can't figure it out. And that's what I wasn't doing. I feel so sorry. I was driving around and she was like that. But it's time to take care of Blue Girl now, man. So y'all comment down below which one y'all think was louder. I didn't rev up Black Beauty. I didn't rev her up, but I had to rev up Blue Girl because I know she's a 4-cylinder and that's an 8. So it's a difference. It's half. So I got 4 and that's 8. That's half and half, you know. So I already got that. So y'all let me know, comment down below, y'all think which one was louder. Bro, I think as the deepness, I think Black Beauty, she got it. The 300, I think it got it. But as in the sharpness and then spike, I think, whoa, I definitely think Blue Girl got her on that joint. And we're gonna have to get a race, because I haven't, so since she's back to her full power, we gotta get a race. Do you think that the 300 can get it from the start? Because I already know the 300 is faster, but I don't know if I can. I think my Mazda 3 can get it from the start. I'm kind of tongue tied right now because I got a Mazda 3 and a 300. I got a 3 and a 300. A 3, I guess I like the number 3. I don't know. My number was 33, you know, when I played football. So I guess I just like the number 3. Y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. To all my Grizzly gang, the stickers are coming. So this weekend, I will be posting out something because they're getting made, and then I'm gonna buy them, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all gotta do to get them, to receive them, so y'all can be the 300 gang. And if y'all subscribe to my channel, y'all are 300 gang. But if you want to be known, if y'all got a 300, or you just want to put the 300 and the 300 gang on your car, go ahead and buy the stickers, man. I'm gonna let you know right now. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day. And shout out to my boy Tall Guy and my boy Street Speed 717, because they just had a, so I don't even know what to say. They just had a stellar. I put that word stellar. I put that stellar word out there. They just had a stellar video where they collabed in Pennsylvania. Man, I wish I was there. I ain't got no truck, but I definitely was trying to win the truck. I was trying to win a Cummins. All right, so I was definitely trying to win that joint, but I didn't. But in the future, y'all, I will be having a big old truck, because I am from Louisville, Kentucky, and we got big trucks, and we got Dunks and stuff like that, and we all them box Chevys and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be bringing that to the channel. But I'm about to go check my mail, because I think I got a shirt coming in. Yo, I just realized my beard was all jacked up because I had the mask on all day. But I'm in the house because it's too daggone cold. So I'm in the house right now, y'all. It's too cold, my fingers is done. But I got something in the mail. Y'all know I was trying to win that red Cummins that was on the truck. I mean, that was on IG. Have y'all ever seen that jank? Yeah, I was trying to win it, bro. But I didn't. But I got a nice shirt out of it, so it's all cool. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Miley channel. Coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all later. Peace. Oh, yeah. Let me show y'all Miles real quick. Y'all ain't seen Miles in like ages, but let me show you Miles. Miles a big old turtle and he got fishy friends. Oh, he's scared. Peace.